friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative Corner. Today I have come up with Diwali special baby photoshoot ideas for you. So let's get started. First of all, have a look at the things to be needed. Arrange the door hanging on plain background. Now set Rangoli stem board on one side corner and make a line of candle diyas on upper side of Rangoli. Take silver foil and wrap it on incense stick to make Diwali sparkle stick. Now arrange it in cross and spread flower petals. Now we will write number of month from chocolates like this. With the help of electric lighting, we will make diya shape. Take some almond to write Happy Diwali. Diwali special baby photoshoot theme is ready to take clicks of your little babies. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for more creative videos.